not look good in there. Jeez. So I haven't got to see my spider yet. I got a pretty big spider too. Monster web up there. Alright, so Mario and I just finished our little car show fun. I did ICC, and he did the Honda Charity Car Show, along with, we had Jamie's car, Chris Phillips, and Brian was there. We had a good time. Alright, so we're in here now though. We pretty much toasted the block, the oil pan, most of it. So I need to just get it racked up and start dropping everything out. It's pretty easy on the CRX. Sadly, we don't come out the bottom like everything else because the H is just so freaking huge. What we do is we come out the front. So I don't have to lift it up. I can do it all on the ground. I do need the engine hoist though, because I can't take the weight plate off. It's not removable like some. So I do have an opening from here up, but there's still the plate on the bottom. So got to come over that and just sideways, turn it 90 degrees. Usually trans out, motor that way, back it out. Sometimes we do the motor first, depending on how things are looking once we drop it a little bit lower. Sometimes I have to take that engine mount off if I bring it around this way first. Otherwise, you swing the trans underneath the light and everything and get it kind of coming out. Piston definitely went up in there. You see that lip right there? That's where the piston went up in there, caught that valve. That stuff's looking good, otherwise I might have got that one there. We should be able to get this piston out of here if we're good enough. Which, you know, I think with that massive hole I can do this. Yeah, see that? It spins easier now than it used to. Almost there, guys. Now it's hard because the hammer can't get in there. Oh, there it is. Oh my. We did it good, boys. I'm gonna have to grab the little pry bar and push on the mallet, or actually, no I won't. Oh my. Oh. Ripped the wrist pin. Well, it didn't rip the wrist pin. It ripped the. On the rod side. The wrist pin stayed in the piston. Ripped the wrist, like the rod around the wrist pin. Crazy. It's filming a little bit. Yeah. You're alright. Just looking at all my carnage. thing's still hanging on in there. Definitely got smushed. Jeez. Cracked the whole block. So I'm gonna need to weld up a new girdle.
So I show up over here and Goofy's already got the hole. It's already out.
It's already out.
Get a light really. You can see quite a bit in there. I might be able to stick the phone in there. No, it's
Poor block.
hold on.
It's already dead.
Yeah, but I'm a purist. I like stuff.
You like
The
stuff?
way they broke to see.
That engine was so good.
It was a good engine.
It's like we're just gonna abuse it now because it's hurting.
Yeah, no,
I just want to see if that would.
Like, would you wound an injured animal just because it's laying there?
I think he's trying to put it.
Dead doesn't mean you can cut
knock
the
its
arm off.
This isn't a deer, man.
Shane might knock the hoof off if the hoof's hanging off.
That engine did multiple race weeks. Was 300 degrees.
How many 121?
It's a
I
trophy.
think he's trying to put it out of its misery, but I mean,
It's already out of its misery.
Yeah, that's.
There we go.
I haven't been here, so this is my first seeing.
I can't walk.
Alright, weld it back on now.
Yeah. But yeah. So I guess this rod is missing a chunk.
We have the whole chunk. I could weld the whole block back together.
Yeah.
This valve is a little bit wonked. This piston is pretty done. So
that should be you should clean it and put it in your fish tank. Oh gosh.
grow some
I could
corals
do
on it.
that.
Yeah, grow some coral on it.
Yeah.
Make it a reef.
Yeah, I guess you could have welded it up. Technically.
Ew.
The floor. Or maybe not.
Just carnage everywhere.
I didn't really think.
Wait, so is that the donor block over there?
Yeah.
What is
It's been hard at it.
is this the 90 millimeter one or
No,
a different one?
that's 87.
87, okay.
It's 87 step down.
Is it
Yeah,
sleeve?
It still needs board.
We do have the 90 at the house.
Yeah.
We do have some more stuff.
But is it just closed deck or is it sleeved? This one?
It's closed deck.
Closed deck.
Closed deck?
Closed deck with the 6,000
It's got sleeves in it.
sleeves.
Oh, okay.
Just liners.
Step.
Yeah.
Same as the other one.
Yeah. Same as the old one. Yeah.
You got
It's really
approval
close.
from Boost Boys to bum a rod too. So
Yeah.
Time to tear down the Prelude a little bit.
Yep.
I don't know. He's gonna see the engine out of it and then come after me. No.
I don't know. We'll see. Get it all fixed up. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, keep rocking. Try and get to the track before it's too late.
Ah, this is coming up quick.
It's coming up quick.
Thursday's
There's,
the 20th.
yes.
The rental's the 20th.
That would be epic to make it to the track on the 20th. What day is it today? The 11th?
12th.
The 12th? All right, I believe.
So
Let's make it happen.
got 8 days.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That's
I mean, it seems like we've been down to the wire on everything this year, so
Yeah, why do we want to end it now and not be out
just
there?
got to keep the streak going.
Yeah.
yep. All right, we're on a roll. So we've got the new block all ground down and ready for the axle I already put back. I borrowed my dad's 5.9 to make sure it was all good. Clears the 5.9, goes on and off nice and easy. Air blew it. Yeah, so the block's already decked and sleeved. It needs board. I got one piston out. I need to get the other pistons out and figure out if I got 3 good ones or what I got good and what I need and get all rolling on that. But we're rolling this, figuring this out, getting the block taken care of. Then we got to get the head figured out, valve and a guide probably, maybe a little bit more, but we'll see once we get in there. Maybe 2 valves, 2 guides, we'll see. And then need to make a new girdle. See if I'll get this thing knocked out. Try and make it about make it to the track by the 20th or 22nd. It was the last 2 track days, and my birthday's the 20th, so it'd be pretty cool to make it out there and run a number. Alright guys, so the oil pan got hit pretty good by the rod, so I got this jig set up. The oil pan is sitting flat on some plates and stuff on the other side, and I'm gonna try and press that back down like it's a press, but with the car on the lift. Dang, that's holding the whole car right now. See that? Holy shit. It was a lot better with the weight on it. Try some things. Well, I mean, the gap is definitely better. It's cracked on the front, which can get welded up. It can get welded up. I mean, that might work. Redrill the hole. I mean, if it seals, it seals. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I've been doing a lot. There's a lot that goes into doing a new block, a new engine, and I should have done this a long time ago. But the last spare engine I had ended up going in to Jordan's Prelude, and now this is just one that my dad said he's had and I didn't even know we had. So I ground it all down for the half shaft. I notched this side and I was checking to see if the rod hit. I think it still might. This is a 22 crank, not a 23, so less stroke. It gives it a little more clearance, and yeah, so I think it still might. I need to get the old crank out of the block. I'm working on that right now, getting the damper off and stuff. And then as well as I notched the whole girdle, so I also cut the little pieces, these little squares. They go in, they're gonna need welded into the girdle to plug all of the old holes and whatnot. And then this is out of a B series. This needs to go here, because I don't run the oil cooler. I just run straight oil filter. So gotta thread one of those in, and I gotta put this plug in. I gotta go over to the block, make sure the block's got all the plugs. I do run the balance shafts, but I don't run the balance shafts also at the same time. So just gotta get it all figured out.
Okay, so you just pulled out your balance shaft, and it's looking a little. Okay, so I was wondering, because like as far as I know, most people just run the KS Tune balance shaft delete kit. So like, explain to me what you're explaining.
Yeah, I mean, so it is deleted. Like, I don't run pulleys or even gear. Like, I have a KS Tune delete here, and then I had it machined out on the other side, and this washer goes on the front here. Actually, no, this washer goes on the other one, but
it just kind of rides in there.
So, yeah, the one that would have the big gear on it right on this side that the delete goes on. It has a keyway on it for the washer, and then
so the shaft kind of just sits in there then.
Here it goes. So it has this keyway, so you go and get the washer passed and then spin it, and then you can just put that in there and it'll hang out. And I put this over top. It's got the little hole for it.
Interesting.
That's it. Balance shaft's deleted.
Deleted, but I feel like that's more hidden, but
it's more.
It's a secret balance shaft.
This way, I don't have to press anything in there or do anything for any special oil pressure stuff. Like, it's all just factory oil.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty
but
bent.
We're gonna need a balance shaft because we bent this one.
That one is
Okay, well,
not going to be balancing anymore.
Well,
I was telling you there. I know a guy with an H23 that's just hanging out. We might
Right?
might need to steal some parts off of it.
Maybe. Do some Preston stuff and break these.
Did you hit him with it? Oh, oh yeah, that's the
The old one.
yeah.
It's alright.
Just heat it up and make a forged and fire sword.
Yep,
But
we'll
already
make a
got the
sword.
handle.
We'll fold it over 8 times.
Yeah. Damascus steel.
Yep.
It will kill.
Mario pulled up. Frickin' with the pizza. He's got the cheese, the munch. The munchies. Forgot the phone on it for you, but leaked. Peep the Pete's. God bless the Pepsi. In this house, can you believe him?
I didn't know if you had Cokes or not, dude.
We have Cokes.
This is uncomfortable this close to my face.
Alright. Yeah, you're right. That's how I felt.
That's what you got?
Oh, Lily's coming to say hello to you, Mario.
She wants some of that Mario action. She says, Mario, you put your butt in my face. I want to love you. I want to love you, Mario.
There you go.
Thank you, Mario.
Wow, so cool.
Hey, come here.
You did that inside the flies probably die. Right, the flies will hopefully fly to it.
See if
What do you got cooking, Mario? What's going on, man?
All right, man. Yeah. So the test day's tomorrow. It didn't pan out. I mean, we got too many broken parts, but I mean, we're trying to get it back together. It doesn't matter. We don't have a track, but
Yeah, we
got
might
a
still be at
block.
the track. All
Yeah.
our friends are gonna be there.
Yes, we
We just
will.
got Brad's fuel system going
We'll
up.
get some coverage of that.
Upgraded fuel system, you know. We got the girdle welded and done.
So the
It
girl
looks like it's holding fluid. We see the water.
is over there. Wait,
doing all
you couldn't have
kinds of
taken a
stuff.
girdle off of like another one, or does that have to be like?
That's the girdle from this block.
Okay.
The girdle technically itself doesn't matter, but as long as you have the main caps from the block. But I broke that girdle off that one. The rod hit it and took it out, so I had to build a new one. Just been going crazy trying to get all these engines ready and stuff.
Yes.
You
So
know,
lots
the
of
the block just needs bored, and then I need to make sure the rods don't hit where I notched. But I think I should be good. I notched quite a bit.
yes, because H to B needs quite a bit of notching.
Well, that and then the aluminum rods.
Yes. Yeah. So
Yeah, so I did the stuff for the half shaft on the back. Because I don't run the oil cooler, I put that in there for the oil filter. It's pretty much just ready to be bored. I got my
Yes.
crank on the shelf. Got stuff going on.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll still try to get it done here soon.
Oh yeah, we're
We'll
coming.
keep the
It's
coming.
coming.
Yeah.
We're coming.
The cops are
We're
here.
gonna try to get Mario's done too. We've been.
Yeah. So
We actually got a little bit of word on those gears that have been infamously just
if
not.
if the
playable,
transmission
so
stuff actually shows up,
that's gonna be cool.
we might need to get our stuff together and just go out of state and just
Yeah.
have some
Or
funsies.
maybe like an IFO or something.
What was that?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
It was epic, but sounds good. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace out.